Hey guys, Dr. Stoker here in Los Angeles with a beautiful result, I should say handsome result. About 18 hours post-op, we performed power-assisted liposuction, sculpting 360 degrees around. We created this vertical groove here to accentuate his muscles. I did not do the transverse ones. He wanted to do that on his own, which more power to him. I fixed the belly button hernia here. You can see the incision's going to be nicely healed up on the inside. We shaved this down as well. You can also see we took down his love handles or flanks here, so he's looking a lot more fit. With this type of patient, I know it's going to get him fired up to lose a few more pounds, hit it a little bit harder at the gym, and make the most out of what he's got here.